The Samsung theme store has a plethora of themes. While most of them are beautiful and elegant, they are ridiculously overpriced. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Samsung theme and use it on your Samsung device. So this requires an app called ThemeGalaxy, which is made by another developer at XDA and is available on Play Store for free. Links are given in the description. To install, download and open the app, you are greeted with a ThemeGalaxy page with variety of options. In this menu, you can choose the primary color, status bar color, and the accent color which you want in your theme. You can even go into the advanced settings and select how your theme should look in variety of situations, like when you're using the keyboard, when you toggle the quick settings, the notification panel, and even the navigation bar. In the second page, you can choose which third-party apps you want to theme and what color or what accent colors they should have. The third menu includes what apps you want to include and what not in your theme. And the fourth is for building the theme itself. And so you can name the theme what you want to, and then you can also choose home screen wallpaper, which would be applied by default after building the theme, and even an icon pack like this one. So after building the theme and installing it, simply go to the Samsung theme store and you will see your theme there. And now just click apply. So at first it's stuck to apply trial because Samsung really doesn't want to get third-party themes on its Samsung theme stores. But it's not a problem because after a trial of like 5 minutes, your phone will give an error dialog that says that the Samsung theme store has stopped. But don't worry, because it's just temporary and you can go on using your theme. So I've applied my theme as I wanted it to be, and it's really cool. See, I have like themed the Google Play Store and stuff, the dialer, etc. So I would say this is a really cool app, and hats off to the developers at XDA. Just keep up your good work, guys. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.